How can an attorney help you after an accident? There are many ways that an attorney helps people after an accident, whether it be a car accident, a truck accident, or any type of motor vehicle accident. And there's several different key points. And the first one is it helps you figure out what actually happened. An attorney is able to call witnesses. We can look at police reports. We can gather information from the police through FOIA requests to make sure that we have an accurate description of how the accident happened and how the other vehicle is the vehicle at fault. A lot of times if you leave this work up to the insurance companies, they're just going to kind of blow you off and assume that maybe you are at fault for the accident when in reality it was the other vehicle. And so gathering this information is key, and lawyers can do this, and that's one of the advantages of hiring a lawyer. Another advantage of hiring a lawyer is that if you've been hurt in an accident and you don't exactly know what type of treatment you need, or better yet, you don't know the steps you have to take to tell your doctor what needs to be done. In a lot of cases, you might need to see a specialist, and usually you have to go through your primary care doctor to get referred to a specialist. And if you have an attorney, we might be able to recommend some things to your primary care physician for you as far as treatment is considered. So if you need physical therapy, or maybe you need to see a certain type of specialist, we can say, well, talk to your primary care physician about this thing, and hopefully you can get that treatment. And that not only will help you get better after the accident, but it will also document your injuries. And so if you're ever trying to convince an insurance company, or and if a lawsuit is ever needed, you'll have that information. It'll be documented, it'll be there, and it will help you in your lawsuit or in your settlement negotiations. And the third thing that lawyers help, and this might be the biggest one, is that we deal with insurance companies, and insurance companies know if you don't have a lawyer. They know that they don't have to give you real offers. They don't even have to really give you the best information. People think that their insurance companies are looking out for them and working on their best interests or working for their best interests. This is not the case usually. Their businesses, they try to make money. They make money by not paying you the value of your case and taking in your premiums. Having a lawyer forces them to treat your case seriously. They know that there are ramifications if they don't, because the lawyers know what is a good settlement. They know what type of benefits you need. And if they aren't providing those things, then we can file lawsuits. And so what we are trying to do when you get a lawyer is maximize your compensation. And we also minimize the amount of work that you have to do. And this is with the insurance company, it's with your doctors, it's with the investigation of the accident. And so for these reasons, getting an attorney is very helpful. It's going to help make sure you get the most out of your case, the most compensation, and it's really the best way to go. Doing it yourself usually will never work, or if it does work, it won't work quite as good. So finding the right attorney and finding a good attorney is something that you need to do after you have had an accident.